What is going on, guys? It's Seth back with another video. This video isn't really going to be like the cord build or anything like that. It's just going to be kind of like a vlogging type video because I got a lot of work to do today and it's kind of interesting work. I got to change the radiator in my car. I got it sitting right here, just right there. I took it out yesterday because, as you saw, it was busted. Actually, that's the right way to turn it. But anyways, the other side's busted. There's a lot of water just came out of it. And I have to get a coil pack because this broke off in the motor and was just chilling down at the bottom. So yeah, I gotta get a new coil pack and all. Don't mind this. This is just chilling in there also in the bag of trash. But right now, you know, my car's got the Carolina squat going on, you know. Just kind of, you know, tooted up. But it's also got the hot boy camera in the back still. But right now, if you look through the front grille, there is actually you can't really see, that sucks, but there's absolutely nothing going back to the motor. Also cleaned the engine bay up a little bit. I don't have the keys with me, so I can't really show you, but it's kind of clean in there and it looks kind of nice. But today I gotta get that stuff done and get it fixed, and I got a buddy that's supposed to come over and help. So we should have this car running by the end of the day, which is the plan. But I just, like I said, I have to go get the radiator and the coil pack and all before anything can happen. But I mean, look at this sexy beast. I mean, just, I also got to get a front lip, and I have a buddy who's trying to help me get some fog lamps. I'm gonna drop his Instagram right here. All right, so we're currently at the shop where my radiator's at, the same place that I got the body fixed on after the wreck. And we're picking up the radiator now. I gotta get some tools to take some of the fittings that were on the radiator off. And there's a sweet Focus RS, or ST, and a Beamer here. That Beamer wagon dude, be looking good though. I have a buddy named Tate who has a car like that, but his is not a wagon, it's a regular, and he's working on its own coils and stuff. I'm trying to get him to get rims, and then you got a nice little Focus ST over there. But yeah, get some tools, get the radiator. New radiator. It's a whole lot less banged up than the other one is, so we're gonna go ahead and go to AutoZone and get coolant and stuff to go put it in there. So we kind of like redneck this in here. That's the old radiator. Just kind of thrown in there, and then we got the new one here. But we gotta take that one back. That way we get this one for free. So I mean, hey, it's a win-win. Free radiator because that one was busted. We got these little things twisted up right to the proper specs. That was terrible, Jordan. This is my buddy Jordan. He has a channel called Blue Jay. I'm gonna link it in the description so you can watch his like few videos he made back in the day. But yeah, this is my recording stand. But as you can see, like I said earlier, there's a big hole here where the radiator goes. And I also said I cleaned the motor up a little bit, which I did. It's not as dirty. This is not greasy or nothing. I cleaned this side and then I left that side dirty just to see a comparison. It's actually quite a big difference. You can't see as much on camera as you can here, but it is a big difference between being the cleaner side versus the dirty side. I can't words right now. It literally says Asian vehicles. It's not even Japanese or Chinese or anything. It's just Asian. Here you go, you Asian car. Right now I'm trying to clean this little overflow tank thing in the bobber up. And you know, using some good old Dawn. Just slather this bad boy on. The inside's kind of dirty, not gonna lie. But radiator's back in. That looks good. Bubbles.
I can't even see the damn transmission lines.
Demonetized. It's already over. Demonetized. There goes me making money on YouTube. The house now, and that's probably gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry if you hear my dad yelling in the background, but it's pouring and the car's done, the radiator's in. We just took it up for a spin around the block and it went really well. So that's gonna be all for this little video thingy. So I hope y'all have a great day. Say hi, Jordan. Say bye, Jordan.
Bye.
I said bye, Jordan. Say bye, Jordan.
Yeah, bye, Jordan.
Thank you.